welcome to my channel e-learning station. Today let's do some mathematics. I got some requests from grade 10 students to do some mathematics problems. So this problem is from chapter number 4, quadratic equations, for grade 10 CBSE curriculum students. So the question is, the difference of two numbers is 5 and the difference of the reciprocal is 1 by 10. Find the numbers. Basically the students used to have difficulty in framing the equation from the given question. It's very simple. So first thing is, what you have to see, you can see the difference of two numbers is 5. So how can I assume those two numbers? For example, if one number is 8, another number will be 8 minus 5, which is 3. Am I right? So if one number is 8, if another number is 3, then their difference will be 5. So let x be one number and x minus 5 be another number. I got two numbers. I have assumed two numbers. Now the reciprocal of it is plus 1 by 10. So we should not write 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 5. This is wrong. Basically the students used to do this mistake. So what is the reason here is, so 1 by x, the x will have the bigger value, right? 1 by 8 will have a big value. So 1 by 8 will give, 1 by 8 will give you the small value. How could we understand this? Just let me take a small example. 1 by 2 will give you the answer 0.5. 1 by 4 will give you the answer 0.25, which is small. If the denominator is big, you will get the small value. If the denominator is small, you will get a big value. So when we will get 1 by 10, we have to subtract a big value from a small value, right? 1 by x minus 5 minus 1 by x. Basically 1 by 3 will be big. 1 by 3 will be bigger than 1 by 8. So 3 and 8 is just an example. These are not the exact value. We have to find the value. For understanding, I have given this area. So now we have to cross multiply it. X, you have to take the LCM. This has to be multiplied with x. This has to be multiplied with x minus 5 and x minus 5. So what it will become? X minus 5 divided x times x minus 5 is equal to 1 by 10. So the x and minus x will get cancelled. The minus it will become 5. In the denominator I will have x square minus 5x equal to 1 by 10. If we cross multiply, we will get a quadratic equation of form x square minus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. So we can factorize it, minus 50 and minus 5. If you multiply two number, you have to get minus 50. If you add two number, you have to get minus 5. What are those number? Let it be minus 5 and 5. Minus 10 times 5 will give minus 50. Minus 10 plus 5 will give minus 5. So x square minus 10x plus 5x is equal to 0. From this I can find x into x minus 10 plus 5, x minus 10 is equal to 0. So I will be getting two things, x plus 5, x minus 10 equal to 0. So either x is minus 5 or x is plus 10. Let me reject it. Let me take the value of x to be 10. One value of x is 10. Another value is x minus 5, which will give the answer 5. So our numbers are, one is 10, another is 5. So 10 minus 5 will give you the difference 5. And if you take the reciprocal, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10, you will get the answer 1 by 10. This is for cross checking. Hope you liked the video. Please share, subscribe.